So this is all the fans that I had put up in Donald's display, because he had wanted his display put back up after he got his new AC put in. So we got an Alaska right here, and none of this is wired up yet. I gotta go through and wire everything up. 5-blade SMC U52. Got the Fasco corner, two 42-inch models, and then this little baby one right here. And coming around the pool table, we got this unknown thing, which I believe is a Kenroy. Either a Kenroy or a CEI. But it shares SMC blade arms. I'm also thinking that it might even be a Tatung. I'm not sure. Then we got a Neon fan, King of Fans. Got a 52-inch Fasco. Got this 42-inch View fan. An SMC 42-inch EG 42 is the model. And down this way, got a new out-of-the-box CEC variable speed control on-off pull chain. And then back here, we got a SMC U52, the 90s model. And that's all I have up so far. But I've been busy the last day putting fans up down here. But I'll make a part 2 to this of them all wired up. So that's it. Until next time. Okay, here's a part 2. Got everything wired up. Got this Alaska 42-inch SMC 5-blader, King of Fans Neon, don't know the exact model, and then Fasco corner. Got a light back here because it was really dark. Don't know what this thing is. Pretty sure it's a Kenroy, maybe something else. Box says Graybill. Possibly Nader. I don't know. I'm just throwing things out there. But it's got SMC blade arms. So, whatever manufacturer borrowed SMC parts. We got a 52-inch white and brass Fasco, a 42-inch antique brass View fan with motor vents, and its stencil. Back over here we got a SMC EG42, and we got a Evergo / Union 42-inch. We got a chili pepper fan. And we got a CEC variable speed control on the switch housing. And then back this way we got the SMC U52 from the 90s. And these are the ones that I had wired up, which would be this one, the SMC there in the corner, the Fasco, the View fan, the unknown, that light, the 3 Fascos back there, the Neon, the SMC right here, and then that Alaska right on over there. Yep. Anyway, I know Donald would appreciate having his fan display put back up after not having his display put up after 2 years since he got his AC system furnace blower put in. But anyway, that's it, and until next time.